We have three types of lion: Berber lion, Asiatic lion, Congo lion. The lions are the largest, biggest cats in the world. There are two subspecies left in the world today: the African and the Asiatic. In Africa, but one small population exists, and the lion is the king of jungle.
The lion is the most powerful land animal, and it known as a big cat, and they're also known as a jungle king.
A tiger's roar is so loud it can be heard 5 miles away. An adult tiger can go up for not eating for 2 weeks. A tiger's length is 3.3 meters and its weight is 300 kilograms. A tiger's night vision is 6 times stronger than human. A tiger is the biggest species of the cat family.
An organization is called Save China's Tiger. They are taking China's tiger cubs and teach them how to hunt, and then they release the tiger to the wild.
Hello, my favorite animal is crocodile because it's a wild animal and his teeth is 10 to 15 centimeter and his tail is for 15 meter. He's a wild animal.
Camels can survive for long periods of time without food or water, and they can also store food in their humps. And we all know camels are all living in desert, like Petra camels originally came from North America 45 million years ago.
Rabbits are small mammals that are famous for their long ears. Rabbits are loved to live in groups. Rabbits are never stopping there. Rabbits live about 10 years. Rabbits are easy to train. Rabbits are clean animal and they like to eat grass and vegetables.
Rabbits need company. They are not natural recyclers. Their ears never stop growing. Do you know rabbit can live quietly, happily indoors? Don't give rabbit milk to drink. Do you know rabbit have a lot of protective measure?
Do you know facts about peacock? Peacock is one of the beautiful with its feathers. Peacock is the blue colored and the feathers is green, golden and blue. In India, Sri Lanka, Indonesia and Africa, peacocks are in. Peacock looks lovely when it dances in the rain. Peacocks can't fly much high. Peacock is the male one and the peahen is the female one.
Did you know deers are one of my favorite animals? Deers have very good senses of smell and hearing. Did you know at an island in Japan, deers get groomed and fed by monkeys, and in turn, the monkeys are taken where they want. But sadly, it's extinct. The last one was extinct 11,000 years ago.
Deer can be found all around the world, but except Australia and North Pole. Did you know there are over 100 types of deer in the world?
Facts about monkeys. Monkeys is certain animals to study. There are over 200 species of monkeys. Monkeys eat bananas. Some monkeys are endangered.
So do you know monkeys come under the space of mammals? They are very intelligent. Also, they eat food, nutrients, and enjoying jumping tree to tree. And there are more than 250,000 kinds in the world.
Sleep for
for 16 hours or 10 hours. Big cats sleep for 16 hours, but small cats sleep only for 10 hours and they're awake for 8 hours or 14 hours. And cats have 9 lives and they eat 2 times a day.
And their cats are believed mammals that they can taste sweetness, and they're supposed to have 18 toes, 5 teeth on each back toes and 5 on front toes.
Did you guys know in ancient Egypt, if you killed a cat or accidentally killed one, you would be sentenced to death? Second fact, did you guys ever know that cats jump 5 times their own height? That is very high. Third fact, did you guys ever know that the oldest cat to ever live is Cream Puff? Cream Puff lived for 38 years and 3 days. Fourth fact, did you guys know that cats have 26 teeth when they're kids, but when they're older they will have 30. Cats sleep 70% of their life sleeping.
Did you know that cats can sometimes be selfish and dishonest? Also, they can clearly see even on dark nights. They can do some good to us by killing rats and other insects in our houses.
Facts about bears. Bears are extremely intelligent animals. Bears have excellent sense of sight, smell, and hearing. Bears care deeply about their family members. Adult female bears weigh about 175 pounds, while adult male bears weigh about 400 pounds. Black bears are about 3 feet tall when standing on all 4 feet and 5 to 7 feet high when standing up straight.
I love birds. Green grandma of birds. They live for less. They are 1 kilogram. They had 85 centimeters. I like birds, and they are 10,000 species of birds. They are 10,000. They are 10,000 different bird species. All birds lay eggs.
Ducks are birds. They have waterproof feathers. Some ducks can live up to 20 years. They live in groups.
Do you know hippos are one of the largest mammals on earth and can live to around 40 years old in the wild? And the most adult hippos surface every 3 to 5 minutes to breathe, and even while sleeping underwater.
In Russia, have learned how to ride a complete subway system and get off a stop in search of food. People use it to think that completely colorblind. Scientists later describe them, and they just see them by blue, yellow, and gray. Puppies have 28 teeth, but normal adult dogs have 42. Dogs don't only see in black and white; they also can see in blue and yellow. I talk about dogs because it's my favorite animal. And we have allied dogs and house dogs. House dogs are very clean. Dogs eat meat, and they are mammal animals. Dinosaurs were extinct million years ago. Scientists found their fossils. Talking about a black horse. A black horse is a horse that has black fur. And sometimes the black horse have black skin. And they have dark brown eyes.
Only 70% of snakes lay eggs. Number 2, out of 725 venomous snakes, only 250 can kill a human. Number 3, snake scales can help them breathe underwater.
Today we really enjoyed the Erbil Zoo. We found a lot of things in the Erbil Zoo. We went in, we saw lions in their enclosure, and we went in aviary of beautiful butterflies and birds. The lions were really cute, and there was monkeys and really cute other stuff. And then we saw ostriches and other animals. There were a lot of stuff we saw, and we even saw a mini version of Erbil, and we even saw bears, cats, dogs, and we also saw dinosaurs. I love you, Koshish School!